Hi, I'm Sawyer, and I'm from the Santa Barbara Middle School Teen Press, and today I'm here with...
JASON REID.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Sawyer.
How is your relationship with your own children?
So I would say I've always thought I had a good relationship with my kids. But I think with teens and older kids, it ebbs and flows, it goes up and down. You probably have moments you love your dad and mom and the moments where you're a little frustrated with them. And that's kind of how it works. So great relationship with my kids, sure, but it comes and goes.
What's one message you want to share to the whole population?
I think the message I want to explain to everybody is that the world I grew up in, Sawyer, is not the world you're growing up in. When I was your age, how old are you?
I'm 13.
You're 13. So when I was 13, I would come home from school, and there's one or two TV channels I'd watch, like Get Smart and Gilligan's Island, which you've never heard of.
I've heard of it.
Okay, good. And then I'd go outside and play because there was nothing else to do. And we would play with our bikes, go running around. We'd build forts because there was no computers, there was no video games, there was no TV besides those two shows I just talked about. And we didn't know much about what was going on in the world. We didn't read the news. We didn't think about the world collapsing. We didn't think about global warming. I had zero pressure as a kid. The world you grew up in is a little different because you know about climate change. You know about Donald Trump. You know about the world you know about the wars that are going on because you see on the news. You feel the pressure to get good grades and get into good schools. You've got to be, if you're in sports, you got to be playing at the highest level ever at 9 years of age. None of that happened. My partners who were here with me today all went to UC Santa Barbara. They got in there because they got in with a 3.0. They would never get into that school now. So the world you live in has so much more pressure than the world I grew up in, which means that kids like you feel the pressure and feel the anxiety more than I ever did. And my message to all of you guys is, hey, take a little break, put down the phone, put down the computer, go outside, play, talk to your parents, talk to your friends, and know it's okay to be a little sad every once in a while. It's not okay to be sad all the time. If you're sad all the time, reach out and talk to somebody. Make sense?
Yes. And if you could give one homework assignment to adults, teachers, and children, what would it be?
Oh, all different?
It could be the same. It
Okay.
could be 3 different.
All right, so I would go to parents. The homework assignment is go talk to your kids and listen, just listen. Don't tell them what to do, just listen. To kids, put down your homework, put down your computer, put down your phone, go outside and play with your friends. To teachers, well, teachers are perfect, so there's not much I can tell them to do.
Okay. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you, Sawyer. You were great. Great
Thank
questions.
you.